welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share my new home with you guys. Oscar and I made a big decision, made an adult decision, and we purchased a new build for our new home. And so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like and the process of getting a new build and all that kind of stuff. And so we're barely in March, and then it's gonna be a long time until we get it, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna show you the lot and then show you like the model home, what it's supposed to look like. But of course, once it comes in, I'm just so excited. All right, everyone. So this is gonna be our lot. We are in the very new product of this build. It is currently March, and so this is what the lot looks like. We're on a corner, but like in the back of the place, so that's really nice. But yeah, so we're very excited. So I'm gonna be showing the process over however long it takes to build our new home, but we are very excited. We are out here looking at the house for an update, and there is change, so let's show you. We now have a bright dumpster. That means they're gonna start. Look at all of the flooring is getting done. Like the underneath, I'm sure the plumbing. Yeah, the outline of the house, and there's some wood over there and some metal. So it's an update. We already picked out our internal structure and everything like that, and we have our internal design later on, but it's crazy they've started officially. We are here back at the house. There has already been a giant change in one day. They are moving fast, so let's see our change. We now have mini floor framings and a giant pile of dirt and plumbing. Holy crap, look, they put plumbing in. I just noticed we also have plumbing. So they're putting all of our plumbing in. They have a little layout of the house. So right here in the front is the garage. The front, there's a room right here. And our room will be back there somewhere. So I don't know if this is like foundation or if this is just underneath, and they just use the boards to kind of see where the line is. So I'm sure we'll see more updates soon, but this is what we have for now. All right, so it looks like they added sand. They have the property line right here, I'm pretty sure. So our house will kind of end right here where this little pink line is. So yeah, they have like sand right here. And there's like yellow tarp, so I'm guessing it's the foundation, but this right here is the garage. And over here, this is the front door right here. And then I believe this is the first room. And then like the second room. So you can see the plumbing is kind of like in there, but they like covered it now. But yeah, it's looking really good. So honestly, probably now we'll be coming around every day to see what they're doing. Very excited about this. Have an update. They have laid our foundation. Wild. Now it's gonna be picking up fast. That's a garage right there and the rest of the house. Now we have dry cement. Our only update, these little metal things on the corners. And that's it. Yay! We have an update. We have boards and outlines. We're getting started. The houses that are across the street, they literally just put the foundation in right after we did. So we are probably gonna be up soon with our boards. This is crazy. Well guys, look at this huge update. I literally drove by this morning and this was not here. So they are moving fast, but now I actually can like walk through. This is crazy. So let's go see frame wise what they have done. So this is the front door. This is gonna be like a little coat closet, our little like hallway. This will be the front bedroom. And we're thinking like a craft room type of thing. The guest bath, and then this will be the guest bedroom. And then this way is the garage, our hallway. I think this is the laundry room. This will be our kitchen right here in the corner. And then this will be our dining room. And this will be the living room right here. And then in this way, we have another small closet, and this is the master. This is our master closet. And then we have our bathroom and the toilet. This is so exciting. I can't believe it. They're going very fast and it's just crazy. This is my first home, you know? It's great. So I'm very excited for this. So our roof is up. We left for the weekend and come back to this. It's crazy. Let's go walk the roof. I don't think there's any changes inside. All this stuff. Let's see. Same old. They just have the stuff barricading on the side. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, look, it's our kitchen. This is new too. This will probably be our island. Wow, this is gonna be our house in a few months. I'm here with another update. It's similar to the last one, but a little different. So they officially finished the roof. So all of the boards are on there. There's now a lot of wood up in the front and a lot of this like metal-y stuff. So let's go inside because I saw people inside. I think they took out all of the supporting boards that were in each room that were like diagonal. So yeah. Yep, the entire top is finished. It is enclosed. They got this on a little bit for the island, so that's new. I actually need to come here and measure my windows so I can see how big of a curtain rod I need to get. Yeah, nails everywhere. I really love this big window we're gonna have in our room. Another one right here. So yep, it's coming along. Looking great, looking great. We are back with another update. Got a message from our agent at KB Homes that they finished the framing, but they still need to do like little top parts on the roof. But I did see there are some doors in here, so we can take a look at our doors. So this looks like it's going to be the front door. There's a keyhole or a peephole. Maybe closet doors? Not exactly sure. But we have doors. I am back yet again. I'm gonna have to be coming back every day because there's new stuff again. There's stuff on the roof. And we also have all this stuff over here. I think this is maybe the HVAC system. Kind of looks like it in like installation, all the fluffy stuff. And they've installed a door. So now we have the side door on here. So pretty cool. I think that's all the changes they've done. I don't see anything else. Well guys, another update. We have windows and we have some stuff on the roof. This is literally insane. Let's go see the windows. I think they got all of them in. We're gonna check. So when we walk in, we have the front windows up here. We have another window for this bedroom. Into the kitchen. The sliding door is in. There was a bird right there. More windows. Those are some beautiful windows. Nice and big and spacious. 2 windows in the master bedroom. And we even have a small mini window in the bathroom for the shower. Right there. This is insane. All right, back for another update. I pulled up and I didn't think I saw updates, but I did. I think they got the plumbing in. It looks like there's some plumbing attached down some areas. So right here, they got plumbing. This is the bathroom. So the shower, plumbing and everything, that's done. It's a giant box. There's some more tubing. I'm not sure what that's for. We have plumbing in here for the washer and dryer. Plumbing for the sink. Plumbing for that wall. I'm guessing that's for the fridge, maybe? And our tub is here. This is gonna be the guest tub. So our guest tub is also here. More plumbing. And then there's a little bit of plumbing in here. And then more plumbing in here for the toilet, the sinks, and then our shower. So update today was plumbing. We are here with another update. Our front door is in now. So I'm gonna go through the garage. We got more things on the walls, plumbing wise. I think this looks the same. That tube is new. I'm seeing some wiring in here, and there's the AC stuff is up there. The ladder's here now. Stuff on the floor. And they are starting the tub. They started both. So in our master, we have more vents. They did the air conditioning vents and they installed the tubs. That's the bottom for our shower. And then I see the other tub. Take a picture. Oops. I see the other tub is in the guest bathroom. I didn't even see that when I walked by. Our other tub is in. Crazy. We are here with another update. So far they've done the roof part up there. And then some smaller extra stuff. This looks like it's drywall. So our walls may be going up soon. Okay, we got drywall in. We got more ventilation stuff going in. All our drywall is in. So yeah, definitely all the drywall is coming. So we should be having walls here pretty soon. They probably have to insulate everything first and then put the drywall up. Yeah, they started putting some insulation up and then we'll get the drywall. So that's our update. Tons of drywall. All right, I'm here for another update. I'm seeing electrical stuff. So they are putting all the wires all in here. I'm also seeing the lights. So we can start seeing the basics of all the electrical, like the outlets and the switches. So yep, that's the next update is electrical. That's what I'm seeing the most of. All these electrical boxes and the routers and air conditioning. This is where our router will be. So yeah, pretty cool. We got the electricity going in here.